Coach Kearns, BurnWithKearns.com. This is the sledgehammer, or what we call the core killer with hammers. So what you're gonna do is elevate the feet. So now you're activating the upper body and lower body at the same time. This is not for the faint of heart. This is a lot of core work as well as shoulder work. That's the first one, that's roof block. Then you've got iron T. This is a ton of work in the core. Balance is hugely important in a lot of core work. And then what we call hammer and nail. And then what we call Fuller's hammer. Double hammers around. Okay? Again, lots of core work. You can start with one leg up, one leg down, then the other way. Now to progress that, what we do is add an instability factor. So you do all those same drills with your feet, or with your butt, I should say, on the Bosu. That adds another level of challenge to it, which means you have to go a lot slower in order to do these. Okay, that's level 2. Level 3, you're so inclined, is either sitting on the ball, feet up. Again, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. A lot more challenging. Care should be taken with these. You know, iron T's, the whole bit. Next progression is much more challenging. Kneeling, and you've got to get comfortable kneeling on the ball without the hammers, obviously, and with the hammers. Again, a lot of core work, a lot of shoulder work. This will be level 4. You can see how I have to maintain a tall upper body. Okay, so this is a core hammer drill. BurnWithKearns.com. Check us out. See you soon.